and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Gary, aka the Plastic Boy. Oh, cool. So today's video is gonna be super exciting. It's all about the brows.
We in this beach, finna get crunk. Eyebrows on fleek, the fuck.
Oh my god, I can't do it. Okay, that was a good one. So Anastasia recently just released her new Dipbrow gels. Actually, hold on, they're not out yet, but she released the info that she's bringing them out. People went crazy. This is Anastasia's first eyebrow launch in 3 damn years. Everyone knows she's the queen of brows. I love me some brow wiz. I love me some brow pomade, you know. Oh, why can't I do it today? It's so annoying. But anyway, when it came out, I was super excited just because I was like, I love her Dipbrow pomade. I just feel like I've had like such a journey with it. Like when I first got it, I was like, what the hell is this? But when you learn how to use it and like control and all about the brush, you can literally lock it down. So she's released 11 colors and they look insane. I've got them right here. Let me show you them. I hope they don't fall out because this is a tiny bit loose. So here are the colors here. They look like this. They are super, super cute. I cannot wait to play with you. So today I'm going to put them on my bare brows so you guys can see what they look like alone. And I'm also going to pair them with the pomade so you guys can see 2 different looks. I'm super excited to try these out and show you guys what they're about. I recently featured them in an Instagram video and a few of you guys messaged me and asked me to do a review on them. And I thought, why not? I love brows. I love a new brow product and I thought they're so easy to like, you know, showcase. So let's break it down. Okay, so I'm basically reading this of Trend Mood. So it says new product, blah, blah, blah by the Brow Queen. So these Dipbrow gels claim to be pigmented, full coverage, waterproof, smudge proof. They come in 11 shades and they're fully matte colors to match their Dipbrow pomade. So obviously all the colors that are in the Dipbrow pomade are taupe, blonde, caramel? Is it caramel? I think caramel. Soft brown, chocolate, medium brown, dark brown, ash brown, ebony, granite, and auburn. So each one matches the colors. So, you know, once people bring out new brow products and it doesn't match the names, it's just like, babe, I'm gonna have to go into a store now and match myself up. So she's made this super easy for all of us. You can just buy what color you already use, and I'm pretty sure you guys have used Dipbrow pomade. It's such an iconic staple piece. If you guys haven't used it, then sis, I'm not sure what to say. You guys need to Google what's going on, okay? So what I love about what she's done, she's released these in 2 sizes. You can get the full size, which is 4.4 grams, and you can get a mini one, which is 2.2 grams. The big one's $18 and the mini one's $9. So I think over here it's gonna be £16, and the small will probably be £8. Maybe 17, and I don't know, I'm not sure how it's gonna work out because I'm not sure where it's gonna be, but I know she's got a counter in Selfridges if you are in the UK, and she's stocked on Cult Beauty, so it'll be super, super cute. So I can't wait to get into play with these. Okay, so before we get started, I'm literally gonna show you how these colors match. So this is dark brown, and this is the Dipbrow gel. So cute, it comes in with like a little small brush. I love how compact it is, and I just love the packaging, it's super cute. I'm actually just gonna swatch a few on my hand like this. And now we have the Dipbrow pomade, and this is in dark brown. And as you can see, as I'm swatching it, the colors match perfectly. So dark brown's kind of like, it is a dark brown, but I feel like it has kind of like a gray undertone. So if you are deeper skin tone, I feel like it has kind of that ashy kind of gray top color, but I go in between dark brown and chocolate, so you can use both. It just depends on your personal preference. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna use dark brown just by itself so you guys can see the finish. I don't have a lot of brows, but I have something there. I've had them microbladed, so I'm dealing with a little something, so I'll show you what they look like close up. Let me zoom you in. So you basically probably can see my brain, you can see my direct debits, you can see everything. So my skin's not looking A1 at the moment, so I'm just gonna put this on like this. So what I'm doing, I'm really just like pushing the product into my brows and really combing them up. The product's just going through quite nicely actually, and I expected these to be a kind of like heavy, because when I think of Dipbrow, it is kind of like a heavy product and you really just have to like work with it quite quickly and very precisely, but it's actually coming from my brows actually super, super cute. So as you guys can see, this is very natural by itself. I probably wouldn't wear it like this by myself. I could, to be fair, I could just put some concealer on it and make it a bit more snatched, but my brows are looking untidy. I should have got them tweezed. When you zoom in, you basically can see everything. Like, you know, when you look in the mirror, you probably wouldn't look as close, but on the monitor, I can literally see like my brows need tweezing, it's not cute. But if you have fuller brows, like naturally you could wear it by itself and it would give you the pigment you want. But I would definitely have to wear something else with this just to tidy them up anyway, because I just feel like they look a bit ungroomed, but I do like the fit. I feel like I haven't recorded for so long, even though it was just literally like last week. If you guys haven't watched my reacting to your assumptions video, you can definitely like click it here, or maybe just wait until you finish this video. Just to update, have you guys seen my new tattoos? I'm literally sleeved out looking like Lil Wayne. They're still healing. Hold on, can I zoom you out to show you? Hold on. They're still healing, by the way. Do you guys like them? I literally went to Berlin. When did I go to Berlin? Last weekend. I got it done in 2 days. I'm in so much pain, but I really, really like them. I've wanted to sleep for so long. Life is short, sis. If you want something, just do it. I don't have any regrets, and I literally covered up some tattoos I really didn't like. So, hi. Okay, so guys, to get my desired brow shape, I like kind of like a straight, kind of like dramatic brow, but obviously everyone's brows are so different. So this is personal preference, but you can obviously just take note just for your own preference. I'm gonna take the Dipbrow pomade in dark brown, and I take Anastasia's angled brush. So what I normally do, I just draw a line under my brow, just so I can gauge how like thick I want the brow. I draw like a straight line, and then I do the other end. I don't really do this on the top anymore, just because I don't really like the way it looks, because I love combing the hairs up anyway. And then I just do this until I'm happy with the line and how straight it is. And then what I normally do after that, I take the Anastasia straight angled brush. This is amazing for concealer, or just if you want to get a straight concealer line. I've used so many other brushes, but I find that this one is so cute. I draw a straight line of concealer, and then I drag it down. I normally do this before foundation, but if you do it after foundation, I'm just not sure. Like, I love it before, but I feel like when you do it after, it actually blends in a bit more nicely. But let me guys know that in the comments below what you like to do. I then kind of blend it down, and then I just do it until the side, until I like the sharpness of it. And then I take this any fluffy brush, and then I just blend it out. I did use the Too Faced concealer. I just love this concealer for the underbrows, just because I feel like it doesn't dry fast, and it's super hydrating, so it doesn't make my under eyes look very dry. So this is the whole technique. Then after that, what I'm going to do is I took the Anastasia Dipbrow gel, and I just used the color dark brown. I'm actually just going to like comb this for my brows. I just love the way it makes my brows look a bit more natural. It gives them kind of like, I don't know, it gives them like dimension. I just love brushing it up, and it's not crispy, which I love as well. It's very just, you know, snatch. I love, love, love it. Okay, so guys, this is the finished look. What do you think? What do you think, girl? So obviously my eyebrow shape is definitely personal to me. So if you don't like the shape, you can definitely just do you, babes. You know what I mean? Like, I love the gel. I just love it. Where is it? I keep losing it because it looks very similar to other things. Like, it looks like this lip gloss. Like, it's just that cases like it distracts me, but I actually do love it. I'm trying to think. Okay, so I wouldn't wear this by itself because I personally don't have enough brow hair to wear it by itself. I've seen my friend use it on Instagram, and she's got really thick hair, so you can probably wear it by itself. But I feel like this is a good pairing system with the Dipbrow. So if you already use the Dipbrow, I would definitely say get this. So if you haven't got a lot of hair, this will not work for you by itself, sweetie. It just won't happen, hun. So I'll definitely use this with the Dipbrow. I do like it. The color's spot on. It matches the Dipbrow perfectly, so there's no complaint about that. I haven't tested to see if it's waterproof or smudge proof, but the Dipbrow is already waterproof enough for me. I've used the Dipbrow and it just lasted 24 hours, like back in the day. So I don't have a doubt about the formula. I love the colors. I love the packaging. I love how you can get it small and big. I would definitely say this is a win for me. I've never had a problem with any Anastasia Beverly Hills products ever. Have I? I don't think I've ever had a problem with anything, so this is so cute. I'm glad that she's expanding the brow game. You know, she's the queen of brows, Anastasia, bravo. So it's a yes from me. Let me know in the comments if you guys are planning to purchase this, if you want to get it. What do you think of like the outcome? It's really, really cute. It makes my brow, it just makes my brow hair look a bit more, you know. So thank you guys for watching this. Definitely stay tuned to my video next week. I love you guys so much, and thank you guys for supporting me. I shall see you in my next video, and have a good weekend.